muddo biside. Remember, it's the combination of our usual pastures, okay, combined with maize bran, combined with cotton seed cake. So in other words, a cow, a goat, a sheep that is going to feed on this one, it would have benefited both carbohydrates and proteins. It's the reason why we normally tell farmers, exactly farmers, that when you're feeding your animals, don't feed only one carbohydrates. Human even beings, we are advised to feed balanced diet. So now this is a balanced diet. Whether you're a milk farmer, a dairy farmer, a goat farmer, this is a delicacy, okay, that we shall be feeding our animals.